Now, today, I want to show you how this system works. I'm the one that built it, and if you want something like this, you can reach out to me on my Telegram or my Twitter so I can customize your own website. I will show you how the website works, okay? First of all, I want to show you something on my MetaMask. This is the CEO wallet. The CEO wallet is the wallet that is receiving fee. Whenever someone invested in the smart contract, the CEO will receive fee, and this fee can be customized at any percentage which you want it to be customized for you. Okay, so if you need something like this, the website like this, I design and I code it. Okay, you can reach out to me on my Telegram. Okay, so let me show you a quick step on how it works. Okay, take for instance, this is the CEO wallet, and this is the amount of BNB on the CEO wallet. Although this is a testnet wallet, okay, it's a testnet wallet, okay. This is the amount on the CEO wallet, and this wallet is the wallet that is receiving fees from different investors that is mining on this website, okay. All right, let's order. Let's head over to investor one. This is investor one, okay, and this is the amount of BNB that is investor in the investor one's wallet, 0.033 BNB. Okay, this is investor one. Now let's head over to investor two. Investor 2, 0.0623 BNB. Okay, this is the amount of BNB testnet that is in the investors 2's wallet. Okay, so let me show you something on how this blockchain works. Remember the CEO wallet is the wallet that receives fee. What we have here is 0.0158. Okay, 158. Better take note of this. Okay, so let's take for instance, let's use investor one for example. Okay, this is the amount that is on investor one wallet. Better pay attention here. Okay, so first of all, let's connect the wallet. Now, no, all right, no, we haven't connected the investor two wallet. Let me first, let me just change this selected from my sleep voice. Okay, connect to investors one. Be sure the wallet is connected to investors one. So you head over, you scroll down. This is the miner UI. Okay, this is the amount of BNB I have on my investors one wallet, and this is the funds on the contract, the general funds. Okay, all right. So for instance, let's take for instance, I want to invest 0 points. Anyway, let me tell you, this is the mining and this is a referral 10% reward. If you refer anyone, it will be automatically added to your reward balance and your earning will be shown here too. And this button is for withdrawing. The withdrawal is automatic, okay? And each time your miner withdraws, there will be a fee which will be sent to the CEO, and every single thing on this website is automatic. Okay, both the deposit and everything they are automatic. And here is the creator content. This is just a page that I added. Let's click on it, and this is how it's just a page that I added. All right, this is how it looks. This is how the UI. So let's tap on close. Okay, let's get down to the point. The main point is, for instance, this is investors one wallet. Okay, let's take for instance, I want to invest in 0.01 BNB. Okay, let's take for instance. Okay, so click on mine BNB. You will see a MetaMask pop-up. Okay, this is a MetaMask pop-up in case you don't see it. Now tap on confirm button. The transaction is submitted. Okay, now the miner started counting. Okay, you guys can see the miner. I quickly bought a miner. This is the total miner I have now. So you guys can see the miner and the earning has started counting. This is your reward. and this is your reward. You can withdraw it at any moment. Now let's head over to the CEO wallet and see if the CEO receive some fees. Remember, if you don't get the price of the CEO wallet before the price at the CEO wallet, this is the investors one. So let's head over to CEO wallet and see if it received the fee from this investors one. The investors one invested on the site. There should be a fee as a compensation. Okay, as the owner of this website, you will be receiving these fees from your investors each time they deposit and each time they withdraw their any rewards. Okay, so let's head over. Remember remember we have 0.01558 before. Okay, this is what we have here. In case if you don't get the price of the CEO wallet before, you can backward the video and check. Okay, this is the CEO wallet. Okay, now I invested with investor one. Okay, so in case if you don't get, okay, let me in case wait uh, in case if you don't get, if in case if you don't get, make sure you pay attention to this price. What we have here currently is 0.0163 BNB. Let's net. Okay, let me use investors 2 and see if this wallet will also receive the compensation as the CEO wallet, the owner of the website. Okay, so let's take for instance investors 2. Okay, now this is the amount that investors 2 have. Okay, investors 2 wallet. So we have to connect to this site with investors 2 wallet. Okay, this is the amount that the investors 2 wallet currently has on the wallet. Okay, let's take for instance again. All right, let's take for instance investors 2 wants to start with 0.03 BNB. Okay, then tap on the mine BNB. Yeah, there will be a MetaMask pop-up. Okay, now tap on confirm to confirm the transaction. So you can see there is no miner yet, but the transaction is submitted. There's no miner yet. Okay, the transaction is verified. Now, okay, the miner, I've bought the miner for investors 2 wallet. Okay, so you can see the reward has started counting already. Okay, let's go and check the CEO wallet and see if the CEO wallet receives some compensation as the owner of the website. Okay, so let's go. And the more you are investing, the more people are investing on your website, the more the contract price is increasing. Okay, the more the general funds is increasing. So let's head over to the CEO wallet. All right, this is investors 2 wallet. You guys can see the amount has decreased because he recently invested on this smart contract. Why is it showing? Okay, let me just, all right, let me just refresh the website. All right, now on it, let me just refresh it. All right, this is still the investors 2 wallet on MetaMask. The price of the wallet has decreased. Okay, the wallet, due to the investors 2 invested this recently. Okay, that is why it was 0.06, but the investor 2 invested 0.03 BNB and some tagged which the blockchain normally charge. So let's check the CEO wallet and see if the CEO wallet receives some compensation from his investors. Now remember it was 0.0168, I think. Now after the investors 2 invested, the price of this received the fee automatically. Okay, you see is working. Okay, imagine you having this system. Okay, you are just reaping and be receiving fee from your miners, just be receiving fee from your investors for those who are using this website. Okay, and again you can see the UI is so neat, and it has a referral program. It will enable your investors to help you market it too, because there is a referral program on it. Okay, So this is how it works. Okay, let's anyway. Let me check the investors one wallet and see if the earning has started counting on the. So we head over to investors one. We disconnect the wallet and connect the wallet again to investors one. Okay, now okay, the earning has started counting already. The zero. This is the investors one. This is the investors one dashboard. Okay, the earning has started counting already. Okay, and the investors one can withdraw the earning at any time. Okay, but the earning is too small. Okay, the earning is too small. But if you want to withdraw it, just click on withdraw. Tap on withdraw button. You will see a MetaMask. My battery is running low. You see a MetaMask button. Just click on confirm. This will withdraw automatically to your wallet. Okay. But let me just click on reject. Okay. So we are done for today. We are done for and also you invest your BNB that you recently in as in a word. You can tap on invest. This will increase the total miner, because what you are doing, you just use the earning and bought more mining power. This will enable you to mine more BNB. Okay, so all right. And also this contract, the owner of the website can't manipulate it. The only way the owner can earn, that is the CEO wallet, is people interacting on this website, people investing and people withdrawing. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, so and also I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. Cool. Okay, let me show you guys something about. So let me click on connect wallets. Use MetaMask. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay, let me use the investors one wallet instead of this one. This one is the one that receive fee. Yes, confirm. I want to be so quick in this video. Okay, this is the dashboard of investors one's wallet. Okay, I recently made a withdrawal. Let's use the investors two. Now disconnect, you know, go over to the MetaMask. Hmm, let's go. All right, this is it's still showing it. All right, so let's connect the investors two wallets. So guys, I think it's on investors two wallet. Okay, this is this is investors two wallet. You guys can see it now. This is the amount of earning that we have received so far from the reward, BNB rewards. Okay, you guys can see. Let me tap on the withdrawal so you guys can see the withdrawal is working. But before we do that, I want to show you guys something. This is the amount that is on the investors two wallet. This is the current amount, and this amount is displayed here in the system. And again, let's head over to the CEO wallet. I'll show you something again. And this is the balance that is on the CEO wallet. This is the wallet that receives the fee. Okay, as the owner, in case you need something like this, you can reach out to me on my Telegram. And also, if you want to watch the video where I explain it well, you can check on the first video that I viewed. You can check on the first video so you can watch it. Alright, this is the CEO amount. So let me tap on the withdrawal button so you guys can see that it's actually working. Sorry. Alright. This is for withdrawal. Now tap on confirm button. This will be withdraw automatically to the to the investors tools wallet. Okay, the transaction is still okay, transaction is confirmed, and you guys can see here there is no more rewards here. So let's check the investors to wallet and see whether if the investors to wallet receive the earning or not automatically. Okay, all right, this is the investors to wallet. You guys can see the investors to wallet receive the earnings. And again, in case if you don't get it, make sure to back forward this video so you guys can see the previous TBNB that is here. And again, let's head over to the CEO wallet and see whether he received the compensation fee of those who are buying on this website. And this is the CEO wallet. Guys, and again, if you don't get the clear amount that is here, you guys can back forward this video, because the previous amount was here was 0.0184. What is now 0.0188. Imagine if you have this system on your own, you have about 1,000 people that is mining on your website. You could earn a lot of money as you own this technology. Alright guys, today we are done for this video, and again, make sure to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be posting more updates on crypto.